In today's video, I am going to teach you how to restore missing menu bar and toolbars in AutoCAD. If your screen suddenly looks bare, or familiar buttons and tabs have vanished, don't worry. AutoCAD's interface can be minimized or hidden by a few settings, and you can bring it back quickly. I will walk you through simple commands and toggles so you can see your ribbon. Classic menu bar and toolbars again. Let's start with the ribbon, the wide panel across the top that holds tabs like Home and Insert. Click into the command line at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. Type ribbon and press Enter. As soon as you do, the ribbon should reappear. If you don't see it, double-check the spelling and try again. This command is safe to use and doesn't change your drawings. It simply shows the interface element that might have been closed or turned off. Next, if you are missing the classic menu bar, the row with File, Edit, View, and so on, you can turn it back on with one setting. In the command line, type menu bar and press Enter. AutoCAD will prompt you for a value. Type 1 and press Enter again. A value of 1 displays the menu bar, while 0 hides it. Setting it to 1 is a quick way to regain access to those familiar drop-fade-down menus that many users rely on for certain commands and workflows. If your screen still looks overly clean or minimal, you might be in clean screen mode. This mode is designed to maximize drawing space by hiding toolbars, palettes, and notes. To exit it, press Ctrl+0 on your keyboard, remember. That's the number 0. If that shortcut doesn't toggle it, try Ctrl+Shift+T. Press the shortcut once to turn clean screen off and reveal your interface elements. Press it again if you ever want to hide them temporarily and focus on your drawing. T here is also a quick visual way to bring back the menu bar without using the command line. Look at the very top of your AutoCAD window for the quick access toolbar. It's the strip with icons like Save and Undo. Click the small arrow at the far right of that toolbar to open its customization menu. Then select Show Menu Bar. This is a convenient toggle if you prefer using the mouse over typing commands. That's it. Thanks for watching.